Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use a clear formatting option on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use a clear formatting option on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet, just going to show. So what is clear formatting? For an example, here I just going to type as clear, and this is the text. This is the original text. So I just going to apply a color for this. Then I just going to apply a shade for this. Then I just going to bold it, italic, and underline. So I had done lot of things in a single steps. You can clearly see what are the changes I have intended. I just going to also change the font. So selecting this, I'm just going to change this font first. So a font to like this. So I just need this to the original portion. Instead of changing the color, changing the font, you just use the clear formatting option. So select this, and this is the clear formatting option. Clear direct formatting. It's a shortcut was Control M. Just single click, which bring back to its original portion. So this can be useful for the document where if any text applied a lot of options, you can just clear to the original format by using this option. And this is the clear formatting tool on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.